Harbor Freight just released some new super coupons. It's starting today, March 23rd, and it goes until April 13th. I'm going to cover the top deals you should consider on these super coupons. And I will be sure to put a link in the description below that goes directly to the coupons on the Harbor Freight website so you can check them all out. And if you enjoy content like this, I would appreciate it. You give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. All right, I'm going to start off with the compressor deal. It's going to be on the McGraw 20 gallon, 135 psi. Require oil, have a single air port, one brass coupler to it. It is normally priced at 250 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for $210, which is saving 40. That's a decent savings on compressors, and it is a limit of one. Next up is a deal on the Earthquake XT 1-inch pistol grip air impact wrench. It offers 2,300 foot-pounds of bolt breakaway torque at 4,700 RPM, 360-degree adjustable handle. It is normally priced at 330 bucks. You can save $50 on that, making it 280. All right, the next deal is going to be on the Central Pneumatic 3/8 by 50 foot retractable hose reel. It retails at 90 bucks. You can save 25% on that, making it 66.99. And the next deal is going to be on the Pittsburgh 20-ton hydraulic bottle jack. It goes to a max height of 17 3/8 and a minimum height of 9 3/8. It is normally priced at 60 bucks. And you can save 25% on that, making it 45 bucks. And it is a limit of 2. In case you missed out on the deal on the mower lifts last week during the 10 days of deals, they are having a deal on the Pittsburgh 300-pound capacity high lift lawnmower and ATV lift. It offers a max height of 24 inches and 0-inch minimum height. It also has adjustable wheel width, so it can accommodate whatever you're working on. It is normally priced at 140 bucks, and you can save $30 on that, making it 110, and it is a limit of 1. Okay, the next deal is going to be on the Daytona 2-piece professional steel dolly for automotive. So you put the wheel on it and you can cart your car around. It offers a max rating of 2,500 pounds per dolly. It's made of 1/4-inch steel plate, and it is powder coated as well. It also features non-marring casters. It's normally priced at 88 bucks. And how about saving 26% on that, making it $65, and it is a limit of 2. And the next deal is on the Pittsburgh R134A AC manifold gauge set. You can test, diagnose, and recharge air conditioning systems with this. It retails at 65 bucks, and you can save 23% on that, making it $50. And it is a limit of 2. Next up is a deal on the Icon Professional T8 Intelligent Diagnostic Scanner. It has a 8-inch high-definition IPS touchscreen. Also offers wireless OBD2 scanning. It comes with a 1-year warranty and a 2-year subscription. It's normally priced at 900 bucks, and you can save $50 on that, making it 850. Next up is a Pittsburgh 2.5 CFM vacuum pump. It's a durable die-cast aluminum housing and convenient top handle with it. It retails at 95 bucks, and you can save $15 on that, making it 80, and it is a limit of 1. And next up is decent savings on the Viking 12-volt jump starter. It's good for V8 gas and V6 diesel. It is rated at 1,700 peak amps and 500 cranking amps. It retails at 190 bucks. Then you can save $30 on that, making it 160, which I'm usually hesitant on recommending the Viking system just because of the low rating. I did a review of a portable jump starter and air compressor that was less than 100 bucks, and it's rated at 4,000 peak amps. And it's good for like all gas engines as well as diesel V8s. So it has a more capacity, and it's also in a smaller size unit. I will be sure to put a link up above to the review video I did of it in case you're interested. All right, next up is a deal on the Quinn 21-piece chrome socket set. These are the sizes it ranges from the SAE and metric. The ratchet is a 72 tooth, 5-degree arc swing with the comfort handle to it. It retails normally at $33. You can save 24% on that, making it 25 bucks. And it is a limit of 2. If you're gaining any value from this video so far, I would appreciate that you give it a thumbs up and consider hyping the video if you're on a mobile device. And also be sure to subscribe if you're not already. It's free to subscribe, and I do have a goal to get the channel to 50,000 subscribers, and I need your help to get there. And once the channel does reach the 50,000 subs, I will be doing a giveaway of 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits. It has a 1/4-inch drive of SAE and metric sockets. It's an awesome kit I'll be giving away. I really do appreciate that support. Thank you so much for subscribing. Now let's move to the next deal. The next deal is going to be on this 1,000-pound mesh deck steel wagon. It has 10 gauge steel mesh on it. Also features an easy maneuver handle, which is a built-in handle, and 10-inch pneumatic tires as well. The retail price is $90, and you can save 11% on that, making it $80, which I'd actually recommend waiting for the April Spring Black Friday sale, where you can do an upgrade for this 1,200-pound cart that retailed at $180, but they're gonna have a deal on it during the sale for $109. And they do have some super coupons on some different Braun lights, which I'm actually gonna, well, I'll show them to you in this video, but I'm gonna recommend that you wait on them so you can save 40% on them during the Spring Black Friday sale, where you can save 40% off on all Braun lights. But I still wanted to bring the deal to you on this video in case you have immediate need. So they do have this new Braun 13,000 lumen flashlight with a runtime of up to 10 hours and a range of 770 feet. It is waterproof. It also doubles as a battery power bank, so you can charge USB devices with it. It retails at $90. In the coupon, you are saving only 11% on that, which is $10 off, making it $80. And the next Braun light option is on the 1400 lumen headlamp. Offers a runtime of up to 13 hours and a range of 560 feet. It is also water resistant, IP54 rated. It retails at $35. And with this coupon, you could save 20% on that, making it $28. But again, wait till the deal coming up in April where you can save 40% on it. And the last Braun deal they have is on the under hood rechargeable work light. It's 845 lumen. It has variable light modes of high and low. It comes with a rechargeable lithium ion battery, and the beam distance does reach up to 88 feet. It retails at $30, and you can save 20% on that, making it $24. Again, wait till the April Spring Black Friday sale where you save 40% on it. And the next deal is going to be on the Armstrong on the TV wall mount that accommodates size 37 to 70 inch TVs and a 175-pound capacity. It retails at $23, and you can pick it up for $15, which is saving 34%. And it is a limit of 3. Next up is a decent deal on the Icon universal joint socket adapter set. So it's a 3-piece set that offers a 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive universal joints. It retails at $40, and you can pick it up for only $30, which is saving 25%, $10 off. It's pretty decent. All right, the next deal is going to be on the Diamondback 15 amp 10 inch wet tile saw with a sliding table and laser guide to it. It has a max cut depth of 3.5 inches and a 0 to 45 degree bevel cut. The retail price is $480, and you can save $20 on that, making it $460. It's not going to be the best deal in the world. We've seen it cheaper than that. So I'd actually recommend waiting for a deal like a 15% off deal of one item. Would be better savings then. The next deal is on the Bauer 14-inch abrasive cutoff saw. It has a D-handle grip, spindle lock, a quick release vise to it as well. Also comes with a oversized spark guard. It is rated at 15 amps and 3.8 horsepower. And it's rated at 18,800 cuts per minute. The max cut capacity is 5 inches on it. It miters from 0 to 45 degrees. The retail price is at $160, and you can pick it up for $120, which is saving $40. So that is a decent amount of savings for this. And the next deal is going to be on the Bauer 1/2 inch heavy duty, low speed spade handle drill mixer. So you can mix up grout or maybe even concrete with it. It is a corded tool. It has the rear handle to it as well as a side handle, so you can grip it however you want it. It's normally priced at $65, and you can save 23% on that, making it $50. So that is a decent amount of savings. Next deal is on the Hercules 15 amp 42-pound 1.25 inch breaker hammer with the maximum vibration control. It retails at $500, and you can save $50 on that, making it $450. Next up is the Hercules 23-pound SDS Max Type demolition hammer. It's rated at 14.5 amp, 1900 beats per minute, variable speed, has a 360-degree handle. It's also shock absorbent. It retails at $400, and you can save $50 on that, making it $350. And here's another option. It's on the Bauer 1-inch SDS Plus type rotary hammer. It has the different modes to it where it's the hammer only, hammer drill, drilling only. So you have different tasks you can achieve with this tool. It retails at $115, and you can save $25 on that, making it $90. And they have decent savings on this Hercules 20-volt brushless compact bandsaw with a max cut capacity of 2.5 inches by 2.5. It offers an easy blade change and a variable speed trigger. But don't forget the Hercules tool does come with a 5-year warranty. This one is priced at $110. And you can save $20 on that, making it $90. And they have decent savings on this Icon 400-pound 43-inch professional creeper. It is heavy duty with a metal frame. It comes with 6-inch all-terrain casters, a padded headrest, and easy clean vinyl. It also features lumbar and neck support. The 6-inch casters do look nice and beefy for all-terrain applications, kind of similar to the Badlands Jack, which why wouldn't they rebrand this as a Badlands Creeper? I think they should do that. This Icon Creeper retails at $140, and you can save $30 on that, making it $110. Next up is decent savings on the US General 5-outlet heavy-duty power strip. It comes equipped with 2 USB charging ports, and it is offered in the different colors of the toolboxes, including the new purple. This retails at $34. You can save 20% on that, making it $27. And it is available in all 9 different colors. In case you missed out on last week's deal, that they had 40% off of the tool bags from Hercules and Bauer. They do have a deal on this Hercules 17-inch tool tote with 19 pockets. You can organize a lot of different tools in this tool tote. It has nice dividers there on the one side of the inside of it. The retail price is $37, and you can save 24% on that, making it $28. And the next deal is going to be on the Yukon 12-inch zipper utility pouch. It has a little see-through window so you can put like a card in for what it's about, or maybe your business card. It is a water resistant pouch, and the measurement is 7.25 inch by 12.1 inch. It retails for $3, and you can pick it up for $2, which is saving 33%. That is a decent deal on that, and it is a limit of 4. The next deal is going to be on this Storehouse 30-bin wall mount parts rack. So it has nice individual bins so you can organize nuts and bolts and other small parts. It retails for $20, and you can save 25% on that, making it $15. And it is a limit of 3. And there's a deal on the Apache 550 with the see-through lid case. It is weatherproof, and the retail price is $14. And you can save 28% on that, making it $10. And it's a limit of 4. And the next deal is going to be a bundled deal on the 100-watt solar panel. It's when you buy this solar panel kit and then buy a second one, then you can save 30% on the second one. So essentially saving 15% on each one when you buy 2. It is priced at $120. So buy the one for $120 and then pick up the other one for 30% off. And they have a deal on their largest trash pump. This is a 3-inch trash pump with a 301cc engine. It's good for up to 23,000 gallons per hour and 10 times max flow. And it'll even pass through 1.25 inch spherical solids. It retails for $900, and you can save $100 on that, making it $800. And they're offering an awesome deal on the Hercules quarter sheet sandpaper. It retails at $4, and you can save 50% on that, making it $2. And it is a limit of 4 on them. And they have the different grits ranging from 40, 60, 80, 120, 180. And that's going to be the range that they do offer in this type of sandpaper. It is ceramic alumina grain. They say it offers a 4 times life and 2 times the speed. And it's good for sanding paint, wood, metal, plastic, and drywall to use in a quarter sheet sander. And there's a deal on the Hercules 2.25 horsepower variable speed fixed base router with the plunge base kit. It's a great deal already considering the price of other routers. And this one is priced at $120. But how about saving $20 on that, which makes it $100? It's going to be a decent deal on that, especially including that plunge base kit as well. And they have this Bauer 15-piece carbide router bit set. Come with a nice variety of different router bits, and it's normally priced at $38. And you can save 13% on that, making it $33. And it is a limit of 2. And they even brought a deal on the Hercules 12.5-inch portable thickness planer. It has a 15-amp motor. It offers 96 cuts per inch with a 3-knife cutter head. It has a 4-post locking head and a turret depth stop to it as well. It's priced at $400, but with the super coupon, you can pick it up for $350, which is saving $50 on it. That is a good deal on it. And I know some of you have been waiting for a deal on a Bauer drill press. They do have a deal on this one, the 10-inch one. It's a 5-speed benchtop drill press. The motor is 6.2 amp, and it goes in a range of 630 to 3300 RPM. Also includes a LED work light and laser alignment system. This 10-inch drill press retails at $170, and you can pick it up for $140, which is saving $30. It's a decent savings on this drill press. And you can pick up this 2.5-inch table swivel vise by Central Machinery. It has a 2.5-inch jaw opening. It weighs 7.8 pounds and it's made of cast iron. The retail price is 23 bucks and you can pick it up for 20, saving 13%. And they even have a deal on the Doyle anvil. It's a 65-pound heavy-duty cast steel anvil. It has a 7-inch horn and a 3/4-inch hardy hole. The retail price is 140 bucks and you can pick it up for 120, which is saving $20. All right, that's going to be it for the deals I'm going to cover for these super coupons that are going to be good until April 13th. So you do have some time to use them. Like I said, I'll put a link down in the description below to the coupons on the website, and you can load them onto your phone app, and you can use the coupons directly on your phone or download them from the website. Or if you gained value from this video, I would appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more. Help the channel get to the 50,000 subs so I give away those 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits. I really appreciate that support, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.